Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, when did my skin start looking so thin and tired? Or maybe it's your knees. They feel stiff in the morning, and that first step out of bed makes you wince. Some days, it might even feel like your muscles aren't bouncing back the way they used to. That's not your imagination. After 60, your body begins to lose something quietly but crucial: collagen. Collagen is like your body's natural glue. It keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, and your muscles connected. But starting around age 30, we lose about 1% of it each year. By the time you're in your 60s or 70s, that loss can start to feel very real in your skin, your joints, and even your balance. But there's good news. You can support your body by choosing the right kind of collagen. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type of collagen best supports dry skin, joint stiffness, or muscle weakness. Let's start with the first one: gentle, powerful, and often overlooked. The first collagen type is marine collagen. Sourced from wild-caught fish skin and scales, this collagen is especially rich in type 1 collagen, the kind most abundant in your skin and tendons. What makes marine collagen stand out is its incredibly small peptide size. That means it absorbs quickly and easily, especially in older adults whose digestion might not be as strong as it used to be. Once absorbed, marine collagen travels directly to areas like your skin, tendons, and ligaments. If your skin feels papery, dry, or prone to bruising, this form of collagen may help restore thickness and moisture. It supports not only beauty, but also skin resilience, which for seniors is a line of defense against infection and discomfort. Marine collagen also contains glycine and proline, two amino acids essential for wound healing and circulation. Some research even shows it may support healthier blood vessels and reduce minor swelling when paired with vitamin C. Many older adults find it easier on the stomach than bovine collagen and appreciate that it's pescatarian-friendly. You can find it in tasteless powder form, perfect for coffee or warm tea. Just 1 scoop a day, especially when paired with something like lemon or orange for a natural boost of vitamin C, can make a quiet but steady difference. Next is grass-fed bovine collagen. If marine collagen is the gentle wave on the surface, bovine collagen is the anchor that works deeper. It contains a blend of type 1 and type 3 collagen, which support not only your skin, but also your muscles, ligaments, and blood vessels. For seniors noticing more muscle fatigue, slower recovery, or weakness when climbing stairs or lifting groceries, this collagen is key. It supports muscle repair and joint strength, especially where tendons connect to bone. Over time, that might mean fewer aches, better posture, and steadier legs. Bovine collagen also supports gut health. Glycine helps rebuild the lining of the intestines, which can get worn down with age, medications, or poor diet. A stronger gut means better nutrient absorption and even fewer digestive issues. It typically comes as an unflavored powder made from the bones and hides of grass-fed cows. Like marine collagen, it dissolves easily in hot drinks or smoothies. Seniors often take 10 grams daily, ideally on an empty stomach, and paired with vitamin C, magnesium, or a bit of healthy fat. And now, let's explore multi-collagen. If you're unsure which type your body needs most, this blend offers a full spectrum. It includes types 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10, supporting skin, joints, bones, muscles, and even connective tissue in the eyes and organs. This is a great choice for older adults feeling the effects of aging in more than one area: tight hips, stiff shoulders, dry skin, brittle nails, or thinning hair. Instead of guessing, your body can take what it needs from the collagen toolbox. Multi-collagen powders usually come from 5 sources: fish skin, grass-fed cows, chicken cartilage, eggshell membrane, and sometimes plant-based enhancers like aloe or turmeric. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides for best absorption. Some formulas also include vitamin C, biotin, or hyaluronic acid, a plus for seniors who want added joint and skin support.
With regular use, many report subtle changes that grow over time. Less creaking, better flexibility, smoother skin, even deeper sleep. But even with the best collagen, there are two common mistakes that can reduce its effectiveness. The first is inconsistency. Collagen works quietly and gradually. Skipping days or stopping too early can prevent you from seeing results. It's like watering a plant. Not much happens overnight, but with steady care, things begin to bloom. The second mistake is taking collagen without the nutrients it needs to do its job. Your body can't build new collagen without helpers like vitamin C, zinc, and a bit of healthy fat. A scoop of collagen in your coffee is a great start, but a slice of orange or a handful of walnuts can make all the difference. Let's take a moment together. If your legs feel weaker than they used to, if you've noticed slower recovery, stiffer steps, or just don't feel as steady as before, you're not alone, and you're not imagining it. Today, we explored how collagen can support your skin, joints, and muscle strength from within. But the story of healthy legs after 60 doesn't end here. There are other hidden causes of leg discomfort, beyond just cramping or swelling, and in our next video, we'll gently uncover them together. So now, it's your turn. Which type of collagen do you feel drawn to try first? Comment 1 for marine, 2 for bovine, or 3 for the multi-collagen blend. Here at Healthy Seniors Over 60, we read every comment because your journey matters. And if this video gave you clarity or a sense of hope, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Healthy Seniors Over 60. So each week, you'll get gentle, science-backed tips to help your body stay strong, steady, and supported one small step at a time.